And also put your hands together for my mentor, Sako. Put your hands together for him, please. Thank you. Damola is my name.
I said that before, yeah.
For the sake of emphasis. Today is Sunday. Some of us went to church. Some of us did not. Lagos is a beautiful place. Churches in Lagos are unique. Gone are the days that you go to church. 8 a.m. service. 2 p.m. you are still there. Nowadays, churches don't waste time. A church in Lagos, 1 hour, 30 minute service, the service is over. 2 hour service, the service is over. That is not even very interesting for me. The best part of any service is the way first timers are recognized. In Lagos here, as a first timer, they will give you rice and fried fowl. As a first timer, they give you shawarma and pizza. 2 hour service. There was a young man that came from his hometown. The first church he went to on a Sunday morning, they gave him shawarma, ice cream, pizza, and fried fowl. He went to another church the following Sunday. 2 hour service. They gave him fried egg, fried chicken, and pizza. He went to another church the following Sunday. 1 hour, 45 minute service. They gave him fried egg, boiled egg, fried fish, and fried fowl. Then he started becoming a first timer for a living. That was what he was doing professionally. He did not do his research when he went to a church. 8 a.m. service. He sat at a strategic position. Thinking business as usual. 9:45 the service will be over. 8 a.m. service, ladies and gentlemen. When it was around 3:30. That was when they started preaching. When it was around 6:30, they said, if you're a first timer, stand up. Aggressively he stood up. They said, follow Sister Ikechi to the back. Sister Ikechi said, you are welcome to our church. This is Brother Timothy. We talk to you about discipleship. That one talk for 1 hour. This is Sister Titus. She will talk to you about mentorship. That one talk for 1 hour. This is Brother Cornelius. He will talk to you about stewardship. That one talk for 1 hour. When it was around 8:30, they say 8:30, 9:30, his eyes were red. He had not eaten from his house. The only motivation he had was the takeaway pack he was looking at in front of him. In his mind, he said, at least before the end of today, we'll go home with something. Ladies and gentlemen, when it was around 10 p.m., they said, thank you for coming to our church. They gave him the takeaway pack. It was very heavy. He did not open it. The church is somewhere in Ikorodu. He lives around Fadeyi. He trekked from Ikorodu to Ketu. He used Maruwa to take to Maryland. He trekked the rest. By the time he got home, ladies and gentlemen, he sat on the floor. By the time he opened the takeaway pack, he saw 16 CDs of messages. 21 handouts of messages. The only table thing there was one tom-tom. In his life, he did not go there again. He started attending online services. There is a big difference between crèche and daycare. Both of them are totally different. They are different in content and context. In a crèche, all the children are not under pressure. Fine children. They do puff hair. There is TV everywhere, screens everywhere. The floor is tarred. All the children are not under pressure. Toys. When the child is coming from home, the child is always excited. Mommy drops the child. The child alights from the car. There is an auntie waiting to receive the child. The child will look at the mom and say, Mom. And the child will run to meet the auntie. But you see, daycare. It is bike. The mother always used to bring the child. You say, Bole. All the children always look alike. All of them with gorimapa with lapa on their head. They will not put dusty powder from head to toe. All of them will not look like idol. The mother and the child will not be struggling. The mother and the child will be struggling. Wale, the child will say, Efimile, Wale, Efimile, Wale, Efimile. There's always one in Yagba with Omorogo waiting for them. And she's watching the interaction. And you know it is Isaiah that will come and meet you as you are entering the place. She will just hold the Omorogo. And she'll be looking at the interaction. As the mother and child are struggling. You'll say, Mommy! And they launch the child into greatness. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for yourself.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hand for Damola.